Thank you for becoming a Superior Propane customer. Your safety is important to us. Let's take a minute to become familiar with the features on your propane tank or cylinder. You can access some of the valves and regulator under the dome or lid located on top of your propane tank or cylinder. When you're not accessing these components, be sure to keep the lid closed to protect the regulator from rain, snow, and other elements. Let's take a look. A regulator supplies the propane gas to your home or building. If you're close enough to the regulator, you may hear a slight humming noise, which is normal and no reason for alarm. The service valve supplies propane to the regulator and is the main shutoff valve to turn off the supply of propane in the event of a suspected leak. If you think you smell propane in or around your home or building, immediately turn off your propane supply by turning the hand wheel on the service valve clockwise to the right as far as possible to make sure the valve is completely closed. Do this for every tank and cylinder if you have multiple. Get everyone out of the building and call Superior Propane. Remember, propane is a flammable gas, so make sure there is no source of ignition when you are near tanks and cylinders. To make it easier to detect a leak, an odorant called ethyl mercaptan is added to propane, which smells like rotten eggs or boiling cabbage. When it's time for a fill, your Superior Propane driver will remove the yellow cap from the tank fill valve and connect the hose nozzle to transfer propane into your tank or cylinder. Always make sure to clear a path to your propane tank so that your driver can safely complete your delivery. At all times, tanks and cylinders should be clear of snow, ice, debris, weeds, and any combustible materials. The float gauge reads the level of propane remaining in the tank. If you are on the Will Call delivery program, monitor your tank level and contact Superior Propane when the level reaches 30%. This gives us enough time to schedule your next delivery. Superior's Smart Tank Sensor is connected to the float gauge in order to read the tank level and wirelessly send updated readings to our delivery coordinators and to you, our customer. The Smart Tank Sensor sends you tank level notifications by email or text. You can also view it online anytime at mysuperior.ca or from the mobile app. You may notice other components on your tank, such as a safety pressure relief valve and a fixed liquid level gauge. These are used by Superior's personnel during delivery or service. For your safety, please familiarize yourself with your manufacturer's operating instructions for your propane appliances. If there are any changes to your propane system, including the addition or removal of appliances, you must contact Superior Propane.